So currently what I'm working with is an MP4 file, and this MP4 file should have worked. I accidentally pulled the cord out too quick, and now the file is just completely corrupted. If I try to open it, I'll get this kind of error saying it's unsupported or it's corrupt or something like that. And this really sucks because this was a 40-minute video and I definitely wanted this. When I double click a video, it should look like this. It should be kind of gameplay or whatever the video is. But in this case, it just wasn't working. So the way to fix this is by getting this one program through GitHub. This is really effective. I'll put this in the description down below, but it's essentially just called untrunc. So go in here, and once you get the zip file, obviously you want to just extract it on your computer. And once it's extracted here, open it. I had to use the first one and then it disappeared, and then I used this one. So yeah, my antivirus tells me, are you sure? So I just go run program, and then it brings you to this menu. So there's the reference file and the truncated file. For the reference file, you want to use a file type of the same kind and the same kind of like export settings just to make sure. And then the truncated file is the corrupted file. So in this case, the 350 PM file is the one that's corrupt. And I know that the ones down here aren't corrupt. So I'm just going to choose a random file here that isn't corrupt. And now I'm going to go to the truncated file and go to the corrupt one, which is this 350. And then all you do is just hit repair. It'll take some time, and the file might not pop up right away, but it should pop up back in the same area where your corrupted file is. And honestly, I was just simply amazed that this worked. And now when I double click the fix file, now it's working. But that's it for me. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give it a like and please subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos just like this. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Cheers.